Hi dear students, welcome to our chemistry class. Students, already you have studied what is concentration of solution. Today we are going to discuss the numerical problems coming under concentration of solution and solubility. First we can discuss the problems under concentration of solutions. A solution contains 5 ml of alcohol mixed with 75 ml of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution in terms of volume percent. From the problem, you understood that it is given in terms of volume. And it is given volume of alcohol is equal to 5 ml. This alcohol is the solute. Then volume of the solvent is given as 75 ml. So because it is in terms of volume, the equation you want to select is concentration of solution is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So you understood volume of solute is equal to 5 ml. How you will find volume of solution? It is equal to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. So you will get 5 plus 75 is equal to 80 ml. So now you know the volume of solute is equal to 5 ml and volume of solution is equal to 80 ml. What is the equation you selected? Equation is volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Substituting the values in this equation, you will get 5 ml divided by 80 ml into 100. The answer is 6.25%. A solution contains 60 grams of sugar in 480 grams of water. Calculate the concentration of solution in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. From the problem, it is clear that sugar is a solute and water is the solvent. Given mass of the sugar, that is solute, is equal to 60 gram and mass of the solvent is equal to 480 gram. And it is asked that you want to find mass by volume percentage of the solution. So which is the equation you want to select? The equation you want to select is mass of the solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So you want to find volume of the solution. What is volume of the solution? It is mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. So here it is given 60 and 480. Then adding it, you will get 540 grams. This 540 grams and mass of the solute you want to substitute in this equation. That is, mass of the solute is equal to 60. Volume is asked to find. So you want to write volume of solution is equal to 540 gram. So you into 100 you will get the answer 11.1%. A solution has been prepared by dissolving 5 grams of urea in 95 grams of water. What is the mass percentage of urea in the solution? In the question, it is clearly given urea is the solute and it is given mass of the solute is equal to 5 gram. Then mass of the water is equal to 95 gram. Here water is the solvent. It is not the solution, it is the solvent. So how we will write the mass of the solution? It is mass of the solute plus mass of the water, that is 95 plus 5 is equal to 100. So in the question it is given you want to find in terms of mass percentage of the solution. So which equation you want to select? You studied 3 equations. From that you want to select mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. So you already find mass of the solution is equal to 100 grams. Mass of the solute is 5 gram. 5 divided by 100 into 100, you will get 5 grams. So students, depending on the term given in the problem, you want to select the respective equations. 3 equations we studied and we discussed 3 types of problem. So depending on the terms, select the equation and substitute the values. If simply it is given mass percentage of the solution, substitute in this equation mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. The formula for finding solubility is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. 4 grams of a solute are dissolved in 40 grams of water to form a saturated solution at 25 Kelvin. Calculate the solubility of the solute. Next, we are going to study the problems related to solubility. So, for finding solubility, there is a formula. It is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. What it is? Mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So in the question directly it will given mass of the solute will be given, solvent will be given, not solution, solvent. So you studied actually what is solubility. The amount of solute that can be dissolved in a solvent is called solubility. So from that we derive this equation. Then substituting the values of solute, that is equal to 4 gram, and solvent is equal to 40 gram into 100, you will get 10 gram. So remember, the equation for solubility is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100.